Welcome all to my channel. So today we are going to start with the next chapter, rural administration. In the previous chapter we studied about this Panchayati Raj system, how the Panchayati Raj system works, what are the functions and how people participate to form a government at the village level. So today we will start with the administration that works at the village level. As we all know that India is a country which is agriculture based country. Many villages are there in India, and once it was said also by Mahatma Gandhi that the soul of India lives in its village. So the Indian economy is heavily dependent on agriculture, and the livelihood of the Indian farmers largely depend on the monsoon rain for irrigating their crops. So about 60 to 70% of the population directly or indirectly depends upon agriculture sector. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in villages. But what happens very frequently that farmers are involved in a verbal spat, in a dispute or in a conflict in regard to land. So to avoid these disputes, a proper machinery is very important to function at the village level. To deter or avoid any land dispute, a proper machinery works at the village level. An officer is appointed at the village level and he is called as Patwari. He keeps the land record of the villagers, also updates the land records from time to time and informs the government about the crops grown on the land. So at the various levels, various officers work. At the village level, Patwari is appointed. At the Tehsil level, Tehsildar is appointed. And at the district level, the district collector is appointed. So the Patwari works at the village level. Patwari is also called as Letpal, Kanakgo, Karamchari, village officer in different states. So in different states, Patwari is called by different names, and that is very important as you will get confused in your exams. So please be clear with all the names. Patwari keeps the land record, maintain the update of records and measure the land, collect land revenue from the farmers, provide information about the crops that are grown to the government. As Patwari works at the village level, Tehsildar works at the Tehsil level. He supervises the Patwari's work at Tehsil level and also settle down the dispute between the farmers. District collector works at the district level. He supervises the work of Patwari. He ensures that revenue is collected from time to time, and he also ensures that a farmer gets the copy of his land easily. So why a farmer wants or needs a copy to be kept with himself? The reason is he has to produce the copy of land when he wants to buy a plot or he wants to sell her produce to someone else, or he wants a loan from the bank, or he has to purchase a fertilizer, or to when he proposes to divide his property between his children. Generally, separation between two lands are marked by fencing or by raising a boundary in a village. So this clearly defines the area that is owned by a farmer. It also avoids any dispute and conflict between farmers, and this boundary is mainly called as Bandh. Many a time villagers are drawn in a conflict that leads to a fight or an injury or any kind of accident. So these things are resolved by registering their complaints in the police station of that particular village. Every village has a particular police station in which the cases are registered. So the station house officer is appointed for registering the complaints. Hindu succession law. According to this law, which was amended in 2005, and this act was passed in 2005, which says that everyone in the family has the right over his family's agricultural land, irrespective of being a male or a female, sister, mother, or brother. Everyone can inherit his share of land. So this law is mainly universal, means this law is same for all the states and union territories of the country, right? Like, share and subscribe to my channel.